You have probably tried to open YouTube, clicked on a video, and suddenly seen error code 15, and now nothing loads no matter what you do. It's frustrating, confusing, and makes you think something is wrong with your internet or your device. The good news is this error is common and it's usually easy to fix if you know the right steps. In this video, I'm going to show you simple and clear ways to fix error code 15 on YouTube step by step without any hard settings. Make sure you watch until the end because one small step can fix the problem completely and get YouTube working again. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open YouTube on Chrome. What you need to do first is go to the top right here and go to extensions. Click on manage extensions. Here you are supposed to find an extension named AD blocker or something similar to that. You can just disable it by clicking on this button. Once you've done that and the problem is not fixed yet, you can just go back here, then go next to the link of YouTube. You're going to find this icon, click on it, go to settings. Go to more settings and permissions here, then click on delete data. After doing this, you're going to have to look back into your account and the problem should have then be fixed. This is how you can fix the error code 15 problem. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.